In this video, you'll learn how to automate coding tasks with Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up your environment, install necessary packages, and write scripts to streamline your programming workflow. Begin by defining what specific tasks you want Claude Code to automate. Examples include generating boilerplate code, writing functions or classes, refactoring existing code, running unit tests, and creating documentation. Clearly outlining your objectives will help you effectively utilize the automation process. Next, open Visual Studio Code on your computer to create a project folder for your automation tasks. Open the integrated terminal, type mkdir Claude_automation to make a new directory, and then enter cd Claude_automation. If you are using Node.js for your automation, initialize a Node.js project by running npm init-y, which will create a package.json file for your project. Now it's time to install the required packages. If you are using Node.js, enter npm install axios.js. Enter. Axios will allow you to call the Claude API, while .NAT will help manage your API keys. If you are working with Python, type pipin install requests python doten to install the necessary libraries for API calls. After installing the packages, create a dev-env file in the root of your project directory. This file will store your Claude API key securely. Add the line ko_API_ key equals sign your _API_key_ here to the NB file, replacing your _API key. Next, you need to load the API key in your code. For Node.js, include require.config at the top of your script and access the key using const API key equals process.envin CLAUD_API_key. For Python, use import OAM import load _.om followed by load _.om AIP _key equals om.getto CLM key om. Now you can write an automation script to generate code using the Claude Code API. For example, if you are using Node.js, you can create a function that makes a post request to the Claude API endpoint with your prompt. Use const axios require axios to import axios and write an asynchronous function that calls the API, passing in your prompt and API key. In Python, the process is similar. Use the requests library to send a post request with your prompt and API key. To automate repeated tasks, you can utilize loops or schedule jobs. For example, in Node.js, you can use the node cron package to schedule a task to run daily at a specified time. In Python, the schedule package allows you to define tasks that run at specific intervals, ensure your script runs continuously to check for pending tasks. Finally, test your automation by running your script in a VS Code terminal using nodescript.jsquote or pythonscript.py. Review the outputs and make any necessary adjustments to improve your automation process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.